bricks. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. When me I use me chopper phone, no chatting a lot. Or ramp with me mother food. Spanish town.
Morning guys, so today is Saturday and it is Mikahlia's birthday party day. So this is our shirt. Godmother of the birthday girl. We're going to do a photo shoot. See everybody. Mikahlia, to Jayla, and to Shauna. I was supposed to wear white pants, but due to unforeseen events, I can't wear no white pants. But yeah, these are my nice shades from Beauty Box Accessories, as always. Duh. Yeah. So yeah, man, we're about to take taxi right now to head to the photo shoot place and such. Okay. So guys, we just got done taking pictures. Everybody. Jayla's the only one who was sad. She never wanted no picture. Everybody else take the picture. Mikahlia.
Alright, let's go, because over here no start set up here.
Oh god. Watch Vicky. So we're gonna go check out the photos now.
It's okay, Jenna. Jenna, it's okay. It's okay, okay? Yeah. Alright.
Oh, Jesus. Hey guys, so I am here decorating. I'm just blowing up some balloons. I'm gonna be decorating this wall, and then I'm gonna be decorating a nice birthday table and stuff like that. So this is what I'm doing right now. I am super hot. Oh my god, like when you move up too much and then you're wearing pants, it's so hot.
Somebody make sure someone snap it up. Sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mikahlia. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Let's go for 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and 1 for good luck.
Alright, no, wow. One, see, they finish. It's finished. Watch out. Alright, no. We clap 3 times already?
No.
Wait. We all clap 3 times and 1 for the good luck, alright?
1, 2, again. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday! Good luck. Alright, now we go cutting cake now. Come.
Funny.
Wait. So, insist.
Oh boy.
Wait, Mikahlia, wait now. Oh, nobody gonna catch them part there though. Mikahlia.
Come here.
But Natalie, you can't reach out there, so.
Wait, no man, I just see
The balloon in my way.
Move the balloon.
Come, put your hand for your sister. Alright, you ready? Wait, you can't name bless first.
Yes.
Alright.
Come, when, oh, come.
Everybody clasp their hands and close their eyes. Fingers on the lips. Alright, everybody eyes closed. Alright. Father, what in heaven, thank you for this day that you have given to us as we are about to go through this day. Thank you for blessing each and every one of us. Please help Mikahlia to be a wonderful, knowledged, and fulfilled little girl. Help her in her future endeavors. Bless her and guide her in the name of Jesus. Amen.
Amen. Alright, we are cutting straight cake now. After something you call the eyes come back on and just jail and not people want cut cake. When we say 3, you go bring down one Anna here. Alright, ready? After 3, 1, 2, 3, cut. Good job.
I guess the camera
Put it on there now.
don't put the alien.
Ellie, why you being that girl?
Put your opinion, top up the cake. What next time? Pick up your and carry in and then start getting for something.
You cut in a two already? Cut in a two and give her one slice. I might need cut one of them beside her.
We give it let's go in knife.
You're in the room, I'm not outside. I'm here eating my dinner. You know when you're just not in the mood to do certain things, or I don't know if you guys are like me. I have like social anxiety. I don't like being around people. But yeah, I'm here hiding in the room still. So guys, the festivities is done, but Mikahlia is going to open up her gifts. She has some nice gifts that she's going to open up. So yeah, that's what we're going to do now. Hey guys, so Mikhaila's going to open up her birthday gifts now.
Jane, carry back come. Alright. Alright, be quiet.
Baby, you're going to open up your birthday gift? Yes,
Wait,
start opening.
Wait, I don't want to flash.
Lucky.
Alright, ready? Go. Alright, Mikahlia, start opening our present. Here's our present name. This one is from I am her sister. Not the upside down.
Move.
Stand up and take them out. Take out it.
It's a nice scooter. Jayla.
Jayla, watch it, Jayla. Come on. Watch it now. You're soon going there.
Yes, so see it.
Turn it around,
Let me try
yes.
it for. In care, take out. Let me try.
Ooh, what is that?
Here, Mickey.
Ooh, it's a
It
scooter.
has to be set up.
Yeah, it has to be assembled.
Okay.
Watch it now, Jayla.
Yay!
Wow. That's from sister. Say thank you, sister.
Whoa, it is. We can cut it.
Yes.
Tomorrow here. Jayla,
Yes, you're gonna make it. We're gonna fix it up for you.
Come back on yourself.
Come, Jayla, pull up here. Jayla, pull up.
Alright, yeah, so that one is from sister. Come and pull another one.
Come here, come here. Come here.
Alright,
Cut my drop off.
pull this one. Come here. Come, try to pull this one. This one is from Pops. Yeah, come here. See what's inside that one. Pull that one.
Everybody are going to watch the keys coming. Look at that. Ooh, what is that? Oh, it look like clothes. Open it.
Open it.
Take you.
Take it out.
Take out it.
See it open.
Yeah, open it.
Show it to us. Show it us.
Show it. Wow.
Ooh, show the front.
Wow.
Show the front side. Ah.
Pops have TS door. One, my friend, you got TS. Mikahlia said, thank you, Pops. Okay.
Next
Thanks,
gift.
Pops. Next gift. One of them here. Open one of them here. I think this one is from Peter again, if I'm not lying. One more of that. lot of it from Shickaa. This one is from Peter Geek.
Mikahlia, come in.
What? A school.
What is that?
No, I eat it. A
Let's
scooter.
see Peter Geek wrapping paper.
Show it here, baby.
Wow, she got another.
Dolly.
Dolly. That's from Peter Geek. Say thank you. Look at the phone. Say thank you, Peter Geek.
Nice.
Turn it around.
Ooh.
Wow.
That looks like one of those dolls that you don't play with. The one that in the future it worth a lot of money.
Alright, so okay, we see this one now.
Open one next one.
Phone battery are dead. I think it's from me. This one is from Antler. This is from Antler.